So boom, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pan from TechGud and we are back with another video. This time we are going to talk about Nothing Phone 3. I know there are lots of fans from Nothing who are waiting for this smartphone, and in this video we are going to talk about specs of a smartphone which has leaked on online, and expected launch date as well as expected specs. And from now we are not going to roll the intro, we'll just begin the video. So yeah, let's dive deeper into it. So especially fanboys and fangirls like us are waiting for Nothing Phone 3 because we love tech. And another major thing is that there are lots of leaks which are happening of Nothing in the online platform. So I will explain to you guys. And another major thing is that there is a lots of hype built around this Nothing Phone 3. And one more major thing is that Nothing is kind of like they have completely f'd up their timeline, because they have launched their Nothing Phone 3a as well as 3a Pro, but they didn't launch this Nothing Phone 3, but they are going to launch this soon. I know it's quite exciting. If you want to get updates for Nothing Phone 3 as well as if you are interested in knowing tech updates, you should definitely subscribe my channel. So there is a big dot in your head, when will Nothing Phone 3 will launch in India. So to be honest, Nothing Phone 2 have launched 2 years back, which is 2023, and Nothing Phone 3 should come at July 2024, but they didn't do that. They have launched different smartphones such as CMF lineup as well as 2A lineup as well as 2A Pro lineup, 3A Pro lineup, but they didn't launch their main flagship smartphone. I know it's quite chaotic, the lineup is chaotic, but it is what it is. And there is an tipster called from Twitter, Abhishek Yadav, I guess. Yeah, Abhishek Yadav. He claimed that Nothing Phone will launch around July 2025. I mean, Nothing Phone 3 will launch around July 2025, and so there is no official confirmation from them. But Kalpai, who is a Nothing Phone CEO, he confirmed that Nothing Phone 3 will launch in LA 2025. Yeah, it's quite interesting. And and another major thing is that this Tripster has a great track record of providing accurate information about smartphones, like upcoming smartphones. Another major thing is that it is April end right now, and May is going to come. Another 2 to 3 months you will see official announcement from Nothing. I guess they will start teasing their new product. So yeah, for talking about this upcoming Nothing Phone 3 smartphone, talking about the pricing of this upcoming Nothing 3 smartphone, it will come around 50k, and it will be the price for base variant. Previously Nothing Phone 2 have launched for 45,000 with all the bank offers, and it was pricing for the smartphone. But Nothing have really worked out around 1.5 years to 2 years on this Nothing Phone 3, and they did lots of upgrades. According to the leaks, they add more AI features which is specific to Nothing flagships. And another major thing is that compared to previous year Nothing Phone Nothing Phone 2, this Nothing Phone 3 will have vast improvements in terms of battery, processor, also as well as camera, and there will be lots of changes in charging speeds too. So Nothing may like charge few $1,000 more, but it will worth it according to me. So another key thing is that you will see price leaks here and there in official website before the launch of this Nothing Phone 3 in few websites, as this happens with every other smartphone in Indian market. So talking about the specs of the smartphone, there will be lots of improvements and upgrades in every department of the smartphone, from cameras to charging speeds as well as processors to chipsets. I mean, chipsets and processors are same, and they also will do lots of improvements in terms of wireless charging. And another major thing is that Nothing has started working on their AI features, because everything is AI now, and it will be their premium smartphone. This Nothing Phone 3 will be the top of the smartphone which is available from Nothing, and you can purchase it. And another thing is that they will also add only specific flagship AI features to their flagship smartphone, so which you will not find in their Nothing Phone 3a as well as 3a Pro, which will be only specific for Nothing Phone 3. Another major thing is that processor. According to the leaks, this smartphone may come with a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, which is a 1 year old processor, but still handles everything fine. You can play Genshin Impact, as well as it can handle heavy gaming, as well as heavy tasks such as video rendering, as well as you can play PUBG at 90 FPS. So it can handle pretty much well, everything fine. And another major thing is that it is an 1 year old processor where nothing wants to save money. One more major thing is that it competitor, which is OnePlus 13R, which has the same processor inside it, and it is available for 45,000. So my kind suggestion for nothing smartphone is that instead of Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, you can go with a Snapdragon 8 Lite processor, which has two main cores of 4.35 gigahertz, and which has a talking about the display, it will come with the previous year's Nothing Phone 2 display. Like, it comes with a 6.77 inch 1.5K LTPO panel, which has 120 Hz refresh rate, and it has peak brightness of 3000 nits, and there is no major or drastic improvements in terms of display. Talking about the battery life as well as charging speeds, previously Nothing Phone 2 used to come with 4700 mAh of battery, but this Nothing Phone 3 will come with 5000 or 5300 mAh of battery. And another major thing is that, as you know, Nothing will not provide charger in the box, you have to purchase it separately. And one more major thing is that there is a major upgrades in terms of charging speeds. Now you can charge up to 50 watts with wire, and you can go up to 20 watts with the wireless. So yeah, which is quite interesting, and I feel like it is a necessary upgrade because they have increased the battery, so they have to increase the battery speed so that it will match. Otherwise it will create a minor inconvenience, like I'm facing with my Google Pixel 8, where you will get an fast charging support up to 15 watt, and it comes with 4700 mAh of battery. It will take hours to charge, so it makes quite uncomfortable. So hands like fish bump for nothing for doing this. So another final and major thing is that Nothing Phone 3 is going to come with a triple camera setup. Previously they used to come with two cameras, but they have switched to triple camera setup, and all the three cameras on the back will come with 50 megapixel, and they are all capable of shooting 4K 60 fps as well as 30 fps, which is a major upgrade from their previous year smartphone. And another major thing is that on the front you will get a 50 megapixel camera or else 32 megapixel camera. It's not confirmed yet according to our leaks, but even they are capable of shooting 4K 60 fps. So that's it for this video, guys. If you're new to this channel, drop a like, drop a comment, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.